This home sits on 2 level lots on over 1/3 of an acre. It is an all-electric home with a metal roof. It is an all-electric home. It has central heat and air with updated heat and air. It has new flooring throughout the home, so no carpeting, easy to clean up. It has an open living, dining, kitchen area, and the kitchen has an electric stove and a new sink. There is updated windows in the home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, over 1,300 square feet. It has both a front covered porch and a back patio. There is an attached garage. It doesn't have an overhead door, but it has an attached garage, and it is kind of a split floor plan. There's 2 bedrooms in the front of the home with a 3/4 bath, and in the back of the home there's another bedroom and bathroom. The stove, fridge, washer, and dryer are included in the list price, and it is conveniently located only about 5 minutes to the aquatic park in Pocahontas, as well as the city park, and it's far enough away from the river that you don't have to worry about it being in a flood zone.